Alright, moms, black owned hotels in a Jamaica. Here is where uno fi stay when uno go to Jamaica. The Wexford Hotel, the Wexford Hotel. Then you have the Sharella Inn. The Sharella Inn, them they write us up on TikTok. You have higher levels in a Kingston. Then you have Golden Castle Villa in a Rakabessa. You have Junction Guest House in a Junction St. Elizabeth. You have Lunacy Inn, that is the Lunacy Inn. Mandeville Hotel, Mandeville Hotel. You have Solet's Paradise, Solet's Paradise. Then you have Travelers Beach Resort. Then you have Runaway, the Runaway. We have plenty of Airbnbs, people. Go ahead and like, share, and comment if you want to know about more places we want to stay in a Jamaica for support local economy. Big up on yourself to everybody we are tuning in. You know what I say? And if you know